Mount St. Helens, known as Lawetlatla to the indigenous Cowlitz people, is an active stratovolcano located in Skamania County, Washington, in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States. The Mount St. Helens major eruption of May 18, 1980, remains the deadliest and most economically destructive volcanic event in U.S. history. 57 people were killed, 200 homes, 47 bridges, 24 km of railways, and 298 km of highway were destroyed. The Semeru, or Mount Semeru, is an active volcano located in East Java, Indonesia. It is located in a subduction zone, where the Indo-Australian plate subducts under the Eurasia plate. It is the highest mountain on the island of Java. The name Semeru is derived from Meru, the central world mountain in Hinduism, or Sumeru, the abode of gods. This stratovolcano is Mahameru, meaning the Great Mountain in Sanskrit. It is one of the more popular hiking destinations in Indonesia. Mount Fuji is an active stratovolcano located on the Japanese island of Honshu, with a summit elevation of 3,776 simics. It last erupted from 1707 to 1708. Its exceptionally symmetrical cone, which is covered in snow for about 5 months of the year, is commonly used as a cultural icon of Japan and is frequently depicted in art and photography, as well as visited by sightseers, hikers, and mountain climbers. Popocatépetl is an active stratovolcano located in the states of Puebla, Morelos, and Mexico in central Mexico. It lies in the eastern half of the Trans-Mexican Volcanic Belt. At 5,393, it is the second highest peak in Mexico after Citlaltépetl, Pico de Orizaba, at 5,636. Lava erupting from Popocatépetl has historically been predominantly andesitic, but it has also erupted large volumes of dacite. Magma produced in the current cycle of activity tends to be a mixture of the two, with the andesites being rich in magnesium. Mount Kilimanjaro is a dormant volcano in Tanzania. It is the highest mountain in Africa and the highest freestanding mountain above sea level in the world, 5,195 meters above sea level and 4,900 meters above its plateau base. It is also the highest volcano in the Eastern Hemisphere and the fourth most topographically prominent peak on Earth. Mauna Kea is a dormant shield volcano on the island of Hawaii. Its peak is 4,207.3 above sea level, making it the highest point in Hawaii. It is about 1 million years old and thus past the most active shield stage of life hundreds of thousands of years ago. In its current post-shield state, its lava is more viscous, resulting in a steeper profile. Late volcanism has also given it a much rougher appearance than its neighboring volcanoes due to construction of cinder cones, decentralization of its rift zones, glaciation on its peak, and weathering by the prevailing trade winds. Mauna Kea last erupted 6,000 to 4,000 years ago and is now thought to be dormant. Mount Etna is an active stratovolcano on the east coast of Sicily, Italy, in the metropolitan city of Catania, between the cities of Messina and Catania. It is located above the convergent plate margin between the African plate and the Eurasian plate. It is one of the tallest active volcanoes in Europe, and the tallest peak in Italy, south of the Alps, with a current height of 3,403 meters, though this varies with summit eruptions. For instance, in 2021, the southeastern crater reached a height of 3,357 meters, but was then surpassed by the Voragine crater after the summer 2024 eruptions. In Greek mythology, the deadly monster Typhon was trapped under this mountain by Zeus. the god of the sky and thunder and king of gods, and the forges of Hephaestus were said also to be underneath it. Nevado Ojos del Salado is a dormant complex volcano in the Andes on the Argentina-Chile border. It is the highest volcano on Earth and the highest peak in Chile. The upper reaches of Ojos del Salado consist of several overlapping lava domes, lava flows, and volcanic craters with sparse ice cover. The complex extends over an area of 7,160 square kilometers, and its highest summit reaches an altitude of 6,893 meters above sea level. Mauna Loa is one of 5 volcanoes that form the island of Hawaii in the U.S. state of Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean. It is Earth's largest active volcano by both mass and volume. It was historically considered to be the largest volcano on Earth until Tamu Massif was discovered to be larger. It is a shield volcano with relatively gentle slopes and a volume estimated at 75,000 kilometers through, although its peak is about 38 meters lower than that of its neighbor, Mauna Kea. Lava eruptions from Mauna Loa are silica poor and very fluid, and tend to be non-explosive. Tamu Massif is a seamount in the northwest Pacific Ocean, sitting atop a triple junction of mid-ocean ridges. It is located in the Shatsuki Rise, about 1,600 kilometers east of Japan. The massif covers an area of about 553,000 square kilometers. Its summit is about 1,980 meters below the surface of the ocean, and its base extends to about 6.4 kilometers deep. It is about 4,460 meters tall.